Cheers. Me and my bestie, well, we want to make homemade KFC chicken. So we already marinated this chicken. If you want to learn or know how we marinated this, you can leave a comment and I will share my recipe with you. Okay. So now I want to prep do our wet ingredients. You wanna come and do the wet ingredients?
We need eggs. Make sure you have no eggs, or else you're gonna be eating eggs.
No shells.
Yeah.
You did put shell inside?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. You have to use a paper to take it out. So I taught my daughter how to remove eggshells. When you make a mess, you have to use the same eggshell, take out an eggshell. So yes, I got it, I think. So put in the bin. Wash your hands.
I'm excited to try this, guys.
Yeah. So here is our full milk. We want to put a little bit of the full milk inside.
Everything?
Yeah, everything.
Okay. Not a little bit. Well, this is a little bit. How much was inside this, Mom? Like, you need half a bottle.
We didn't even use much. We didn't use much of it. You need just a little. We also needed some to marinate this.
So you gotta just put a little in that, and then the rest, when it's just small, you put it in here.
And then we're putting a little bit of black pepper.
Is it hot? Is it hot? And a white pepper. No, onion.
This is not onion.
Right there.
It's garlic powder.
Oh. Looks like onion.
And then you need almighty paprika for the color.
And I don't like the smell of the other one before you put this.
That was garlic.
Yeah, I don't like the smell.
So you need this.
And then you mix it all together.
Not yet.
Not yet, but you have to mix it all together.
So this is salt. I hope it's not too salty. And guys, this is bouillon powder. Seasoning. This is bouillon powder.
It's not bouillon powder.
A little bit.
Then guys, you have to mix this all together.
This is all-purpose flour.
Guys, look at the color.
Guys, this is our all-purpose flour. Then we are adding cornstarch. You need that. You need cornstarch for that crispy. Yeah, I don't know if this egg is enough.
Try it now.
So a lot of chicken here.
Go by, see bubbles. Okay, mix that properly.
So guys, in here, I'm still gonna add my paprika. You need that, guys.
For color.
Like almost the same thing we added here, we'll be adding it here. I think yours is enough. Oh, can you guys see the color?
Peach white.
So guys, I want to start frying. You have to fry on medium heat.
Hi. Baby's here.
So guys, I need to put this ones out. Put in sink.
Like, can I do one?
So hold on then. We all cannot put our hand at the same time. When you So I shared this into two because I don't want to.
For it to be finished.
Yeah.
On time. But now I have to close the door.
But I can't. That's what two of us cannot make our hand messy. We want to do all at once so we can put on the fire at the same time so they all can cook.
And be the same time ready.
Yeah, and be ready at the same time.
Mommy, what told you?
Our hands are all messy. Eliana washed her hands already. Guys, this is all what we did.
Guys, if you think it's small, it's actually very much.
Small.
Guys, do you actually want to hear the seasoning?
It's onions.
Yeah.
We want to test if the oil is hot enough.
Yeah.
Can you put it? Oh, you guys can see. Can you add the other onions? Our onion is hot enough, guys.
The oil!
The oil is hot enough.
So we're going to let that cook.
Here is still messy. We have to clean all this up. Should go for it.
Yep.
So now.
Oh, that one looks very ready.
For the other side has to still cook. This looks so crunchy.
Yeah, you go back. Now. And I want to see you. Think.
Wow. This looks absolutely amazing. You want watching the camera?
Oh my
Guys. This is how crunchy it is. Let me know if you'll be trying this. And share your pictures or videos with me in the comment section. When you get to try it, you visit the video again and share it, okay? This look here. Oh,
Can I have one?
Give me one now. No, it's not. You have to eat with promise, Anna.